As in this video, we're going to find out where is the checkpoint for the Toyota RAV4 between 2019 and 2025. Now this is the front of the car, and here you can see if we go down and look at this, and in here there is a mark. The checkpoint right here is right here in between those two holes is the checking point. So what you want to do is put your jack in here. Okay, so it should sit nicely in here in between that two hole like that. Okay, so that's for the front. The back is essentially will be the same, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.